Hello again, and welcome back to Proceeding Onward in America.
POA.
Well, today we're going to do another hike at
Quechee Gorge.
Quechee Gorge.
We think we're saying it right. Anyways, the name is down below.
We hope you enjoy the view with us, and we'll try to get as much footage as we can of anything gorgeous.
Yeah, it's a state park that is in Vermont. About the middle part of Vermont. Jag's with us. So we're hopefully going to get some great views of the whole area. Hopefully we'll get the drone out later.
Maybe.
Show you some
We'll see.
footage.
Alright, we're starting to walk the trail. Jag's a little bit too excited.
He's loving this. He's like, just let me go, Mama, just let me run. Jag, slow down. But the trail is nice and even. The path seems like it would be a nice little hike, so it's good for all ages. So there's a bridge overlooking the gorge. We can get some footage from up there later. There is a little lake pond area. Jag wants to go swimming. He's trying to get down in there. Jag, it might get a little deep. Hi, baby. If you see a frog now, I'm going to laugh. Yeah, why don't you come up the easy way? Yeah. He's happy now. Butterflies. Go ahead, Daddy. Well, we made to the end of one of the trails. The beginning of the whole trail, I believe.
I'm trying to keep the bugs out of my mouth.
Bug spray is recommended. He doesn't want to talk. He's afraid he'd get some protein in his mouth. But we do recommend some bug spray. There are these little gnats that are flying around. So that's a little annoying a little bit. But other than that, it's been a nice little calm walk. Jag was able to go swimming a little bit. There is a swimming place that humans can go to. We don't have our bathing suits, so we're not going to go in. During the walk, if we do see people coming, I do grab the leash, so that way he's not jumping on people. It's not that busy anyways, so I'm letting him walk the trail by himself. Fabian's not a big fan of it, but you know, I love my doggy, and I spoil him. This is the view from the beginning of the gorge, from the bridge. So beautiful. And then walk over to the other side. So if you don't feel like hiking down, you can still go to the view. You can still go to the top of the bridge and see this amazing view.
Well, hello again. Before the camera dies, let's get this last footage.
We're at the bottom of the gorge.
You see the bridge right behind us? And I'm gonna turn you around this way. Nothing but rocks all around us. This is not always here, especially when it's high tide or
High water.
high water. Hello. Looks like we made it.
But it's been a nice little hike.
Don't forget to like us on our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also support us on our Patreon account as well. And for all the video footages that we got that we're using to capture these shots, look at our supplies as well on our Amazon account.
Yeah, every little bit helps. So if you're going to be shopping anyways, why not shop through us? And a little bit of proceeds will go for making better videos for you.
So, later.
Bye-bye.